Good afternoon. My name is Amber Patterson. I'm the Chief Procurement Officer here at the town of Barnstable. Today is Thursday, December 19th, and the time is 12:03. We are here today for the bid opening for the FY25 HVAC renovations at Barnstable Intermediate School for the filed sub-bid of the electrical category. This bid opening is being recorded, so anyone that's joining us, please remain on mute. And the results are going to be posted on Bonfire. All bids will be under review at the conclusion of this, but we will send out those tentative results on Bonfire at the conclusion of this bid opening. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is share my screen. All right. All right, so everyone should be able to see my screen at this point. And you can see that I'm in Bonfire. We'll go down and it looks like we have 4 submissions today. We have a submission from American Electrical Construction, Inc. received today, December 19th at 9:03 a.m. We have a submission from Betco received today, December 19th at 10:01 a.m. We have a submission from Sparks Company, Inc. received today at 11:37 a.m. And we have a submission from Systems Contracting, Inc. received today at 10:55 a.m. So now what I'll do is I want to go ahead and unseal all the documents. And now you will see under the requested information, the documents are sealed, so we will go ahead and unseal them. And there's a timestamp next to each required document as I do this. Just 2 more. Okay, so now that everything has been unsealed, we'll go back to our submissions. And we will start with American Electrical Construction, Inc. So once more, this is from American Electrical Construction, Inc. And the contract sum is $1,125,000. That is 1,125,000.0000. Alternate 1 is NA, and they were sure to acknowledge addendum 1. The form is signed and included, and they are using that revised bid sheet that came out with addendum 1. So now we're going to go ahead and look at the combined certificate. And the combined certificate for tax compliance, non-collusion, and OSHA is signed and included. And then we'll make sure that the 5% bid bond is here. And that 5% bid bond is included. And then we will take a look at that DCAM certificate. And that DCAM certificate is here, and the category is for electrical. So we will go to our next bid. And just a reminder, all of these did submit their DCAM update statement, but that is a confidential document, so we do not open that publicly. So the next bid was received from Betco. And Betco stands for Boston Electric and Telephone Corp. And their proposed bid price is $237,370. That is 237,370. Alternate 1 is an A, and they were sure to acknowledge addendum 1. Thing is signed and included. Let's next look at that combined certificate form. Okay, so the combined certificate for tax compliance, non-collusion, and OSHA is signed and included. Next, we'll take a look at that bid bond. Okay, and the bid bond is here in the amount of 5%. And then we want to take a look at that DCAM certificate. Again, the update statement is a confidential document, so we do not open those publicly, but the DCAM certificate is here in the category of electrical. All right, so next we have Sparks Company, Inc. And the proposed contract price is $351,125. That is 351,125.00. Alternate 1, no change. Addendum number 1 is acknowledged. Looks like the subbid may be used by any general bidder except Winston Builders Corporation. Okay. Let's see, any other exclusions? I will look at that combined certificate. It's signed and included. Next, we'll go down to their bid bond. It's here in the amount of 5%. Then we want to look at that DCAM certificate. It is here in the category for electrical. So our final bid was submitted from Systems Contracting, Inc. And the proposed amount is $297,400. That is 297,400.00. Alternate 1, NA. Addendum 1 is acknowledged. I don't see any exclusions. The combined certificate for tax compliance, non-collusion, and OSHA is signed and included. The bid bond in the amount of 5% is here. And that DCAM certificate is here under the electrical category. Looks like the lowest bid we received is from American Electrical Construction, Inc. And that amount was, oh no, I'm sorry, that amount was for $1,125,000. Brian, I know you just joined us, so I just wanted to reopen that bid so you could see that dollar amount. So that concludes the bid opening. And what I'll do is I'm going to go ahead and post all of the submittals on Bonfire so you can see the dollar amounts. They'll also include any exclusions that the contractors added. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me directly, either by email or phone. And again, this recording will be posted on the Channel 18 Town of Barnstable website. The results are also posted on Bonfire. The bids are all under review, and we will issue an official addendum under the general contractor project once we review all of the filed subbid submittals. Thank you for joining us.